Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison and today I am doing this pink metallic eyeshadow look that you see here. And yeah, if you're interested in seeing what I used and how I use them, then just keep on watching. We're gonna get started. I need to prime my face with something, and I think I'm gonna start off with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. I love this stuff. As you can clearly tell, this is my second bottle of this, and I'm already more than halfway done with it. So how are you guys today? I'm doing pretty good. I just finished up applying for a job. I did Route 21, which, you know, I'm just doing one a day. I have a list of like 30 places I want to apply for, but I do have a job interview at Amstar Theater tomorrow, and I also have to call and talk to someone from Sam's today so they can recheck up on my, like, I had an interview with them a couple days ago, so I just want to check in because the hiring managers weren't there at the time. So, and I also got to check in with Publix Friday because they told me to wait 2 weeks and then update them, make sure I still want the job. So they asked me to contact them by this Friday, so I still am. Alright, now I'm going to prime my eyelids using the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in the color Eden. I love this stuff. I have used it actually probably too long. It's probably expired, but it still works really, really good. And this primer lasts forever. I think I've had this like 2 years, but it doesn't irritate my skin or anything like that, and it works just as good as when I first got it. And I love to do my eyes first. That way I can be a little sloppy with my eyeshadow. And I also like to do my foundation after my eyes because it just cleans up nicely, and you can get those precise edges if you want them on the sides of the eyes. Alright, after that I'm going to use my blood sugar palette that DD5 sent me. So this one was sent to her first when she ordered it, and there was one busted shade in it, which was the blood sugar one. This one was completely busted. I think that was the one that was completely busted. And the donor color right here was lifted up, but by the time it was sent to me, both of them was really busted. But I think I, you know, saved them. So she sent it to me because they sent her a fully new palette. So, and I'm so glad she did because I am loving it. I'm going to go with the glucose color right here, just on my brow bone and on the, probably the inner corners too. Since I do not have a job at the moment, I've had more time to do videos for y'all guys. So a blessing in disguise. And just in case you're new here, I just quit my job I've had for 8 years. I worked at Chick-fil-A, and I just needed something new, so I quit, and I'm on a lookout for my next thing. After that, I'm going to use the color, I think it's called Tongue Pop, right here in the palette, and I'm going to use that as my transition shade. But yeah, so far I really, the job I'm most interested in is the Publix job, because I have heard great things about it. Competitive pay. I heard basically it's really hard to, like, they don't really fire people that much unless you just try to be like a bad employee basically, and they are more like, you know, like family oriented. it just seems like a great place to work, and like they're really easy to, like, if you want to go to a different location, like a different Publix, they'll transfer you without a problem, and they seem to get along with the other stores. They're not competitive, and even departments, it seems like it's pretty easy to move departments if you like get bored or whatever, which I can find interest in my job, but it's just neat to know that they're an understanding company and they work with their employees. I do have some friends that work there that is references, so hopefully I can get that job. The only thing is, right now where I'm trying to get a job at, they are not hiring as of the moment right now. They said that they don't expect anybody to be transferring out of their department until like the beginning of the first of the year. And of course I want a job hopefully by Thanksgiving, like right after Thanksgiving. I would like to start a new job, but maybe before then. Now I'm going to go in with this root canal color right here, and I'm going to put it on the outer V of my eyes just to deepen it up and to add a little bit of purple in this eye look. I have applied to a number of places already. I have applied for Ulta. I have applied to Sephora. I have applied to Walmart. I think I've said that one already. Publix, Victoria's Secret, Route 21. A few other places that I can't really remember. But like I said, I got a list of 30 and I like to do one per day. And I believe this Friday I will just start focusing on trying to meet some of these hiring managers so they can put a face with the application, because I mean, I don't see why anybody wouldn't want to hire me, because I've had the same job the past 8 years. So I think that looks really good for a resume. I have a resume, and I mean, it's not like I'm one of these kids that's just gonna keep a job until they get out of high school, which there's nothing wrong with that either. I'm just saying that I'm looking for a long-term career, so seems like people would be wanting to hire someone that, you know, will stick around. I think I'm running out of this concealer already, so I guess I'm going to use my Physicians Formula Conceal RX concealer. That's really sad because that's an expensive product, and I feel like I've had that at a short time, but I do use it every day and I do love it, and I need to get another one. Alright, now I'm going to go on top of that, and I'm going to use the Candy Floss color. This was the color that is the inspiring color of this whole overall eyeshadow look. So, yeah. And I know I've been mentioning DD5's channel a lot, but I'm sorry, we just been talking literally like every single day ever since before our box swap. So it's kind of hard not to talk about her when I'm talking to her every day, and she's a big part of my life. But yeah, her name is Ida and her channel name is DD5, and I would appreciate it so much if y'all if you new subscribers have not checked her out yet, she buys a lot of makeup and she has some great content. So I have a little bit of news. So today, this morning, as I was talking to Ada, my little girl came in and she was kind of upset. Hold on, I gotta find my eyeliner. So I'm gonna use the Essence eyeliner pen, waterproof. It looks like this to do my eyeliner today. But I do want to mention I'm throwing in a new product in my 4K giveaway. I don't have it like a video of it right now, but when I get further down along and accumulate a lot of things, I'll do a video of like a sneak peek of my 4K giveaway. But I don't know this brand, I've never heard of it, but it was gifted to me by a friend at work a while back, and I figured I would share it with you guys. Since DD5 sent me so many eyeliners, I would just give this one to y'all. But that's what it looks like, and it's like it's an eyeliner pencil, waterproof, precision liquid eyeliner. So yeah, I'm gonna throw this into that little giveaway I'm accumulating for y'all. But yeah, my baby, she lost her tooth this morning. So the story is that, oh, I better not talk while I'm doing my eyeliner. But the story is she was eating her cereal. It was really loose, her tooth was, and so it came out as she was eating her cereal. She had a rain boot next to her, so she got the rain boot, spit her tooth plus her cereal in it, and I fished it out for her, so she's gonna have tooth fairy money tomorrow. But yeah, that was an interesting little story of her losing her tooth. Right, that's pretty much all with my eyes until I get to the mascara in the bottom lash line. So I'm gonna go and do my face makeup really quick, and I'll be right back with you guys. All right, now that I have my face makeup on, I'm going to do the lower lash line, and on the inner corners I'm going to use Candy Floss, which is that color right here on my eyelids on the inner part, and then on the outer lower lash line I'm going to use Root Canal, which is that purplish color on the outside corners right there. Now I'm going to use my bigger, fluffier brush to just blend it out, fluff it out, whatever you want to call it. Now I'm going to do my upper and lower lashes with a combination of these two mascaras. For the just the top lash, I'm going to use the Smashbox Full Exposure Mascara. And then on top of that, I'm going to use the, I'm not sure how to pronounce this mascara, but I'll be going on top of it with this one. And I'll also use this one for the bottom lashes, just this one. After I do the top lashes, I like to use my fingertips to curl them up and hold them there for like 10 seconds. And that does that. Just lifts them up where they hold their shape all day long, or at least for me they do. And if you mess up on your like mascara and you touch your eyeshadow, just leave it there for a little while and let it dry as you do your bottom lashes. And when I do my bottom lashes, since I have such hooded eyes and my cheeks are so like out there. I like to make sure I face down the whole time doing my mascara, and then like a minute after. That way it doesn't touch my under eye, and then I'll have little specks and lines. And when this gets dry, it should flick off pretty well, like so. And that's pretty much it for the entire look. I'm gonna go do my brows because I almost forgot to do that, and I'll be back with you with my intro and outro. All right, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this trendy pink metallic eyeshadow look. I really like it. I really love this blood sugar palette. I love playing with eyeshadows, and DD knows that, and thank you so much, Ada. I really love you, girl. Her link is in the description box below. Go check her out. She has a lovely channel, and yeah, like I said before, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you buddies next time. Bye!